My name is Wese Emmanuel, and I'm a teacher in Arisa Academy. Arisa Academy is a nursery and primary school located in Cameroon. It's actually in Douala Fan. In Arisa Academy, as you just saw earlier, aside from the regular school curriculum, we also do a lot of personal development. We carry out a lot of extracurricular activities, beginning from sports, dancing, music. We teach children how to play piano. We do karate and all that. And the activity we carried out earlier, because in Arisa we believe that education is not just in the classroom. Education is a wholesome concept where we help children to be able to harness their capacities so that they can be able to interact with the world.
When you talk aloud, right? Like somebody said, the first thing you have to be bold. Boldness means what? You talk aloud, right?
Hello friends, my name is Yanis. I am 9 years old. I attend Arisa Academy. I am in class 4. I am a Cameroonian. I am from the littoral region. My traditional dish is dole and bobolo. I am from the southwest region. I am from the northwest region. Some of the activities carried in Seoul are farming and fishing. My traditional dishes are fufu and vegetable. I come from the central region of Cameroon.
Arisa is focused on developing the educational system of Cameroon to match with or to suit with the demands of the international world. Looking at the children, you discover that the children are really picking up a lot of hard work, a lot of commitment that we put in order to build up these children. They are really picking up, and some of them are really doing great.
I am coming from the West region. Some activities carried out in my village are hunting, farming, and molding.
I attend Arisa Academy. I am in class 4.
My hobbies are singing and dancing.
I'm coming from the southwest region. Some activities that I carry out in my village are hunting and farming.
Some of my hobbies are playing football, playing videos, and study. Thank you.
I am a Cameroonian. I come from the South region. The activities carried in my village are hunting and farming.
Some of my hobbies are singing, dancing, and reading.
Most of them are from the Francophone background, but they are able to express themselves very well in English language. So that is what we are out for in Arisa. We are out for bilingualism as we have in our country. Cameroon is a bilingual country, and one of our objectives to make sure that these children are able to express themselves in the 2 official languages, which is English and French, so that will help them to be able to integrate themselves in the outside world. So thank you. It was nice having you, and it was nice talking to you. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.